Hey, welcome back to Learn English with Student Studio, the podcast that helps you learn real English in a fun and easy way. I'm your host, Emma, and today we are going to solve a little mystery. Have you ever said something like, he walked to school every day? And your teacher or friend looks at you like, something's missing. Well, my friends, today we are solving the mystery of the missing S. Let's go. So imagine this. You're in a small English town. You're walking by a bakery and you hear someone say, she go to the bakery every morning. Wait a minute. She go? That sounds a bit off, right? Let's fix it. She goes to the bakery every morning. Yes, goes with an S. That tiny little letter, the S at the end of a verb, causes so much confusion, but it's actually simple once you know the rule. So let's break it down. In English, when we talk about things that happen regularly or things that are true, we use the present simple tense. Examples, I eat breakfast at 8. You eat breakfast. We eat, they eat. But when the subject is he, she, or it, we add S to the verb. Let's try it with the verb eat. I eat. You eat, we eat, they eat, he eats, she eats, it eats. Let's say that again together. I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat, he eats, she eats, it eats. He, she, it. Add S. Got it? Great. Let me tell you a little story. Let's meet Mark. Mark is 15 years old. He lives in London and has a, let's say, interesting morning routine. Every morning, Mark wakes up at 7. He brushes his teeth, he eats toast, he drinks tea, he runs to the bus stop, and he forgets his homework every single time. Notice all the verbs with an S. Why? Because Mark equals he. And when we talk about he, we need to add S to the verb. Let's play a little game. I'll say the sentence and you tell me if it's right or wrong. Ready? 1. Mark eats cereal every morning. 2. Mark eats cereal every morning. Which one is correct? Number 1 or 2? 2. Mark eats cereal every morning. That's correct, number 2. Mark eats cereal every morning. 3. He go to school. 4. He goes to school. Which one is correct? Number 4 or 3? 4. He goes to school. Yes, that's correct. Number 4. He goes to school. 5. He take the bus. 6. He takes the bus. Which one is correct? Number 5 or 6? Can you get 3 out of 3? Correct answer? 6. He takes the bus. Yes, that's correct. Number 6. He takes the bus. When it comes to writing, there are some rules that will help you with spelling. Sometimes we don't just add S, we add ES or change the spelling a little. Let me explain. 1. If the verb ends in s, x, s, or z, we add es. Watch, watches. Wash, washes. Fix, fixes. Pass, passes. 2. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I, then add es. Study, studies. Cry, cries. 3. If the verb ends in a vowel plus y, just add s. Play, plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Examples: she watches TV, she watches TV. He studies at night, he studies at night. It flies fast, it flies fast. She enjoys music, she enjoys music. Let's do a little repeat after me. I'll say the sentence, you repeat it. 1. She drinks coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. 2. He watches funny videos on YouTube. He watches funny videos on YouTube. 3. My dog eats too much. My dog eats too much. 4. It rains a lot in April. It rains a lot in April. 5. He plays video games after school. He plays video games after school. Here's a tip. When you're talking about other people, friends, classmates, celebrities, pets, ask yourself, do I need to add an S? Say it like a detective. Third person? Add the S. Let's review. Use S for he, she, and it in the present simple tense. Watch for spelling changes like es or ies. Listen for mistakes in real life. It helps you learn. Practice makes perfect. Let's have a question of the day. What does your best friend do every day? Try to answer using the third person with S. For example, my friend eats cereal for breakfast. She goes to school at 8. He plays football after class. You can write it down in the comment or say it out loud. Better yet, send us a voice message. That's it for today's episode of Learn English with Student Studio. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share with a friend, and leave us a review if you enjoyed this episode. And remember, he, she, it. Add that S. See you next time.